5 plants that eat animals. First up is the Venus flytrap, one of the most famous carnivorous plants. Native to the wetlands of the United States, this plant is known for its jaw-like leaves. Each leaf has 2 parts with spiky edges that act like a trap. When an insect brushes against tiny hairs on these parts, the trap snaps shut with lightning speed, faster than a blink of an eye, giving the insect no chance to escape. But did you know the Venus flytrap can count? It doesn't snap shut immediately when an insect lands. Instead, it waits until its sensitive hairs are triggered twice within about 20 seconds, ensuring the movement is caused by live prey and not just debris or raindrops. Once the trap is closed, the Venus flytrap releases digestive juices to break down the insect, absorbing vital nutrients that help it grow strong and healthy. Number 2 on our list is the pitcher plant. These plants have leaves shaped like tall, deep cups or pitchers, filled with a digestive liquid. The edges of the pitcher are lined with a sweet-smelling nectar that attracts insects. Once an insect lands on the slippery rim, it often slips into the pitcher and falls into the liquid below. The walls of the pitcher are too smooth for the insect to climb out, and it eventually drowns. The plant then breaks down the insect using digestive enzymes, absorbing the nutrients to support its growth. And here's an interesting fact. Some species of pitcher plants have evolved to form a mutualistic relationship with certain animals, like tree shrews or bats. These animals use the pitcher as a toilet, and in return, the plant absorbs nutrients from their droppings, which can sometimes provide more nutrition than capturing insects alone. Our third plant is the sundew, renowned for its beautiful and sticky leaves. The sundew's leaves are covered with tiny, glandular hairs that produce a glistening, sticky substance resembling drops of dew. These droplets are highly adhesive and trap insects that land on them. Once an insect gets stuck, the sundew's leaves gradually curl around the prey, further securing it in place. The plant then releases digestive enzymes to break down the insect, converting the nutrients into essential energy for its survival. Here's an intriguing fact. The sundew's sticky droplets are not just a trap, they also serve as a lure. Some species of sundews can emit a sweet scent from their sticky glands, which attracts insects to the plant. This combination of allure and adhesive ensures that the sundew captures its prey efficiently. Fourth on our list is the butterwort, a plant with leaves coated in a sticky, gooey substance. This mucus layer attracts and ensnares small insects like flies and gnats. When an insect lands on the butterwort's leaves, it becomes stuck in the adhesive mucus. The plant then secretes digestive enzymes to dissolve the insect, absorbing the nutrients through its leaves to replenish its energy reserves and support its growth. Here's a fascinating fact. The name butterwort comes from the plant's slippery, buttery texture. Historically, people used to use the leaves of butterwort to grease and polish their boots, giving it an additional practical use beyond trapping insects. Finally, we have the bladderwort, a remarkable aquatic plant. Unlike the other plants on our list, bladderworts live in water and possess tiny bladders that function as traps. These bladders have a small opening that can open and close rapidly. When tiny aquatic creatures like water fleas swim nearby, the bladders create a vacuum that sucks them in. Once inside, the creatures are trapped and digested by the plant. The nutrients extracted from these prey help the bladderwort thrive in its aquatic habitat. And here's a fascinating fact. Bladderworts are among the fastest moving plants in the world. Their bladders can snap shut in less than 1/10 of a second, making them incredibly efficient at capturing prey and demonstrating a remarkable evolutionary adaptation to their aquatic environment. Curious for more? Watch this video where we show 5 mind-controlling parasites.